Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on your WeChat account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WeChat application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your phone number and verification code to log in. Once you have been logged in, if you wish to invite friends, tap on Contacts at the bottom section. From the Contacts page, tap on New Friends and then tap on Add Contact at the top section. From this page, you will see the Invite Friends option. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you can use your message, your email, your WhatsApp as well as your Twitter account in order to send an invitation to your friends. Choose either one of these options, and once you choose your friend, you can simply tap on the Send button to send an invite link to your WeChat. Once they click on this link, it will download the WeChat application on their device, and as soon as they sign up, they will become friends with you on WeChat right away. You can also tap on My WeChat ID option, which has a QR code icon. This will show you your QR code, which you can share with your friends, and they can scan this to directly add you as their friend on WeChat. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friends on WeChat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.